The world is going digital nowadays. You didn't want to be lagging behind. My experience so far has been good. The teachers are very tolerant and they take their time to teach step by step and make sure everyone in the class understands. I'm Delali. I'm an electrical engineering student for the University of Age and Natural Resources. I heard about Genius IT Brainery institution from a friend, and since the courses offered were going to help me later in my future endeavors and also in my electrical engineering journey, I decided to join. What made me interested in joining this institution was the courses offered. Although I had little knowledge in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, I didn't know the in-depth of it till I joined the institution. They teach Python, they teach website development. When you want to build a website on your own, they are very patient in teaching that. What I've learned so far from this institution is Python programming. I've learned other programming languages, but Python I would say is my favorite, and I would say if not a master, I'm an intermediate at it. And I can develop websites now, and I'm also good at Excel. That's for data analysis. Sometimes you think that Excel is easy, but it's not. So I would recommend everyone to come and have a taste of this institution. Definitely you go and you'll never regret it. The fees are very affordable. You can pay, even if you don't have the money at once. When you're registering, you can see the options available and you can pay in bits. Monthly payments are available as well. And if you think knowledge is expensive, try ignorance.